Hello everybody, my name is Marta. I am part of the family group Castanon. We have a cider mill. We make cider from apples. We are here from 1938, so it's a family tradition. And if you want to discover that cider and join as many classes as you want, we wait for you here in Asturias, where you are going to have a lovely lunch because you are going to be my guest and discover how we make the cider, rolling like an apple. And at the end of the visit, join us just pouring a glass of cider, drink it, and have a lovely lunch. Here we have fabada, Asturian beans waiting for you, and now we are going to serve a glass of cider. In Asturias, we have that lovely cider. We need to pour, and you can drink yourself if you are coming here. Open, go there, and ready to drink in a shot. See you soon, and one croqueta for me. Bye bye. Ciao.